Power off and remove the AC supply plug. Open by lift up front panel from side to side. Remove by lift up the air filter. Remove the front panel by push the lock angle side by side. Unscrew or remove the screw at cover panel. Disconnect the cable from locking cone wire. Remove 2 screw at cabinet. Remove the swing louver guide. Press out the center lock. Slowly press out the holder. Stand. Press out the right position. Lift up the cover and remove the screw. Remove the cabinet by lift it up slowly. Insert the tube hose into the hole of water outflow. Unclog by hollow in and out, or blow the tube hose. Make sure no dust block the hole. Pour a water. Confirm water can pass through and not block the hole. Slowly install back the cabinet starting from top side lock. Insert and screw back the bottom cover. Insert and screw back the cabinet screw. Press in the slot, hook into the center hole. Install back the front panel by press the angle hook at right and left corner. Insert the cone wire locking cable. Install the air filter.
Insert back the air louver.
Make sure the air conditioner work well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.